You absolutely can't miss this video. What you're about to see will redefine how physical security works across education, factory, and logistics environments. This is the ACTi Q84, an AI-powered 20MP outdoor 360 degrees multi-imager dome camera with 4 lenses, 5x zoom, powerful IR LEDs, built-in AI, and active deterrence. Let's dive into why this camera is changing the game. First, the ACTi Q84 delivers stunning 360-degree panoramic coverage using 4 independent 5MP lenses. No blind spots, no missed activity, just total visibility through a single IP address. That means lower installation costs and fewer cables. In schools, monitor playgrounds and corridors. In factories, keep an eye on assembly lines and warehouse entries. In logistics, one unit covers gates, loading zones, and parking. This is full coverage, simplified. Next, let's talk about night vision. The Q84 is equipped with 9 powerful IR LEDs per lens, each delivering up to 50 meters of visibility. Even in near total darkness, down to just 0.002 lux, it captures vibrant color images. Perfect for dark school alleys, unlit factory corners, or logistics loading bays at night. Wherever light fails, Q84 sees everything with clarity. Third, this camera is smart, really smart. Q84 includes built-in AI analytics, people and vehicle detection, line crossing, loitering, crowd density, and sound detection. Whether it's detecting intruders in a school, unauthorized access in factory, or idle vehicles in a logistics zone, this system analyzes in real time. No more manual monitoring, AI does the heavy lifting for your team. Now, let's talk defense. The Q84 is active deterrence ready. When an AI event triggers, it can automatically activate external strobe lights through ports and trigger alarms using the built-in 12 VDC output. Think of a student entering a restricted area, or someone breaking into a warehouse, Q84 responds instantly, flashing lights and recording the evidence. That's smart, fast protection. And finally, its build quality is second to none. The Q84 is IP67 weatherproof and IK10 vandal resistant. It includes a built-in microphone, audio I/O, DIO ports, and supports external integration. In education, link it to intercoms, in factories, to sensors, and in logistics, to alarms and panic buttons. One rugged device, endless possibilities. You might think, this kind of tech must be expensive. But here's the surprise, ACTi Q84 costs 30 to 50% less than Axis while offering comparable or better features. For system integrators, it means fewer devices to install. For end users, it solves multiple pain points, saving money, reducing risk, and streamlining operations. High spec. Low cost. Total value. Don't wait. It's time to upgrade your security infrastructure. ACTi Q84 gives you panoramic coverage, AI detection, low light clarity, and real-time deterrence, all in one affordable solution. Whether you're securing a school, factory, or logistics hub, this is the camera that delivers. Get in touch and secure your future today.